It is May 27th. It's Memorial Day. A good time to reflect on and thank all the men and women who have served, paid the ultimate sacrifice for our freedoms. This is Grandman at McManus Meadows, trying to find the cows. Just here behind the shack, shop, and shed, and it doesn't look like they're here, so I'm gonna make a quick turn and see if they're back up in the middle meadow, and see if we can't encourage a move today. Got a few things I need to do. If I get them to follow me, I will be moving the water down to the bottom. Don't often see that. I think I've made one short. That's a path that cuts through the woods all the way to the far side of the farm. So stay tuned, more to come. Today is the big cattle drive. I'm going to be reconfiguring a couple things and then making a drive from the middle meadow all the way down to the bottom. So stay tuned. All right, well, we've got this first entry paddock set up in the lower meadow here, the bottom, and kind of put two. So if you can kind of see, we've got two different paddocks set up here in the lower meadow. Still got a little work to do. Got to get them down here. Gonna give them this first tranche for an hour, maybe 2 hours, and then come down and open up the next. Get some water set up. And then this will be my new escape lane. And we're going to make the cattle drive down this hill. So I'm going to leave the lane in so they, if we do get another storm, I'll have a place for them to camp out that's above, well above the previous water line, which was probably somewhere close to where we are right now. But we've got a nice little landing spot here that they could hang out on. That's well above where the flood would hit. So that's it for now. We'll be back in a second for the cattle drive. I'm just walking up. I see them. We are really close to the middle meadow. So let's see if we can get them up and making the move to the bottom here. Get a quick view of well, they finished the water. Most of it, still some left. All right, you guys ready? We're going down to the grass. Let's get this going. Yep. Well, we've got the herd started. See if they make the turn here. Not a girl, Ginger. All right, gotta push them. Come on, boys, girls. Come on, Ginger. This may or may be the spot where they realize they've got a shot down to the bottom, and we'll try to catch it all. Well, they found the bottom. Almost it must be close to a month. I need to double check, but yeah, heads down. Quite a bit of clover. See how they do here. I may lock them in here, and then I need to figure out water. So more to come today. Thanks for watching. Well, we're down in the bottom. Cows have been chilling out. I've got water in this paddock. I'm gonna come back in a second. I need to get the fence charger, find the place where I'm gonna put it, and probably need to put it up on a post. But yeah, I'll be back. I don't know why they're looking for a move. They're not gonna get that. So, all right, I'm gonna go rescue the four-wheeler. Pull up goggles. Down in the middle meadow, but I'm going to let them have the next tranche here. Let's see, I'm going to go on the other side of the wire and then just open this next place up. Have a good bit of the water, but not all of it. No, to let them have this whole paddock down to where I've... All right, we're gonna open it up and let them have the whole thing. Comes my four-wheeler with tools, so I go back there. We're not done yet for today, but we're close. Yeah, so we're gonna set up our camera. I'm gonna start watching the rain a little bit tighter, obviously, and I'm gonna put the new charger on a post that I don't think will get washed away. A little bit further out into the sun. Quick view from the cow cam. This should help. Well, I think that's pretty close to the end of the day. Just walked beside the mineral feeder. On the left up here, we've got our new charger slash cow cam setup. I think it's rugged enough not to get pushed over by a lot of water, but not 100% sure. I certainly don't want to lose another setup, but yeah, we should be good to go there. Cows have got the rest of this lane. It's full of a lot of clover, a lot of different types of grasses. See Millie's mowing down on clover. 4501's chilling here. And JB's, I don't even know what he's eating. Over the course of the next year, I hope I get the grasses figured out. With the seed heads, it should be easier. So, yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick look at Ginger and Goggles. Yep, not sure when the next calf comes, but I'll keep an eye on it. I think 4501 might be trying to take some milk from the wrong mom. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and more to come here at McManus Meadows. Grandman out.
That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grandman Ranch.